For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send PayPal link for payment. To do that, first is go to paypal.com and log in your account. After logging in, go to Send and Request tab. Go to Request at the bottom of it. After that, go click Create a Personal Profile. In this area, press the Create PayPal.me profile. Then you can choose if you want to add a photo or not. Then you can choose your own link, and if it's available, go click Next. Check the box for terms and condition. Then click Agree and Create. When your profile is live, just click Done. After that, click the Share Your Personal Profile. Then click the arrow icon in this area. Just click the copy link. It will be automatically copied. Next thing you need to do is to open new browser and paste the link you just copied. After that, just click the send button and choose the currency you want. And you can now send a PayPal link for payment. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.